today's video, we're going to be doing Whip Wednesday, because it's Wednesday. So, I am working on my, raglan, like pullover sweater. That's what I'm working on this video. So, I'm excited because I'm doing the last increase row, and then I will be parting off the sleeves and then only working the body until I get it to where I want it to be. This is like an oversized sweater. Like, I already tried it on. I'm really excited for this. So yeah, then I'm gonna work on the body, and then we'll come back to the sleeves once we finish the body, and I'll work on those. But this is our project for the day. So we're gonna try to get this done today. We're gonna try to get this done today. But anyways, yeah, that's all. I will see you guys when I am knitting. Hi guys. Okay, so my update is I'm about to take the sleeve part off of my needles so that I can just work on the body, because I finished my last increase row and my last regular knit row. So now I'm gonna take the sleeve off, and yeah, that's our next course of action. And then I have to figure out if I'm gonna add stitches in between the arm and the body portion, so it's not like a weird gap underneath. I don't know. I need to look at a video to figure out how to do that, honestly. But yeah, because I don't want there to be like a weird hole or gap in between the sleeve and like where I took it off for the body. So yeah, but I'm like, it's coming out really good. You guys can't even really see the colors like this, but I think it's really cute. It's like, what is that ice cream called? Napoleon? It's like Napoleon ice cream without the strawberry. But that's our update. We are now on row 27, pretty deep into the sweater at this point. So hey guys, I'm here because I wanted to give you guys a little update on the sweater progress. I finished the body of the sweater, and I think it stops at like a pretty good length. Like, I like where it stops at. And so now I have to pick up and start doing the sleeves. I want to start those before I go to work today, so I'm gonna have to be quick about this. But I really like the stripes that are going on here because I use a multicolor Savers yarn, so the stripes are coming out beautifully, I think. But yeah, I just have to pick up for the arms and we're done. That's my update for now. I hopefully am gonna finish this before Wednesday because I want to post like a Whip Wednesday vlog. So yeah, we're just gonna try to finish this as soon as we can. The only problem that I'm having is I think I made the arm like holes way too big. but hopefully it's not that bad and it's like fine. But I know that I definitely made them too big, so we're just gonna have to see how that is gonna work out. But I'm loving it so far. I don't think I'm gonna unravel it if the sleeves don't come out how I like. I think I'm just gonna adjust my pattern and you know, keep the sweater, because I don't really care when it's like stuff for me, but when I make stuff for other people, that's when I really start to care. So I'm just gonna make a little note of it in my pattern, and yeah. But I'm really loving the sweater so far, and I'm very excited to finish. So hi guys, our sweater update is I finished the sweater. It's done. I really like how it came out. I think the sizing is perfect, everything is perfect. The sleeves are as big as I wanted them to be. I can wear it on the shoulders or off the shoulder if I want to. The stripes came out beautifully. Yeah. And like I love everything about this sweater, and we're done. So yeah, I'm like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the sweater? This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Let me know if you guys want me to do more whip Wednesdays, because I have a lot of like whips that I haven't finished, so we can just make this a series also. Or if you like the regular crochet content more, then we can do that. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week.